everyone. Welcome to the start of week 2 in the middle school web design class. I'm going to kind of go through what you need to do this week. Knowing that this is only the second week of class and that we have students still adding the class, there's not a lot due this week, but it's some really important steps. So you're going to start with the intro to page 2 or to week 2. And I will try, and I shouldn't have a problem with this, getting one of these in each of your week's folders. And this video actually will be embedded right here where it says video introduction. Watch this. But under assignment checklist, I'll list what you actually have to turn in, what you're responsible for completing. You still need to read everything though, because doing these assignments will be really difficult if you don't. Also, I've set up a suggested schedule. You notice Saturday and Sunday are free, but if you need to do some work then, or if you've skipped a day, you will need to do work then. So keep that in mind as you plan out your week. Reminders and tips this week, it's just to let me know if you have problems, but in general, go to one of the online work sessions or let me know when you need to meet online and I'll help you out. Alright, going back to the pages this week. The other thing is that remember the class is set up on completion, which means you actually will need to, while you see a list of these things, you can't just open this up and click on the text editor verification quiz to take that unless you have read through these first 3 pages. So, basic tools. If you're on a PC, you're going to use Notepad++. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Text Wrangler. We're going to start out using a text editor to write code so that you guys gain just a little understanding of what code is and how it works. We're not going to write a whole lot of pages. And because I keep it slow in the first weeks, the code writing will actually be now until around late September. But again, it's only a page or 2 a week, and once you get that first one written, the others are fairly easy. If you're working in a computer lab at a school, your computer may have Notepad, not Notepad++, but Notepad. And it will work also. It would be under your accessories. All PCs should have Notepad. The one difference would be is that Notepad++ lets you change the language to HTML, and then it gives you some color clues that help you out a lot when you're writing code. Setting up your site. Just to go through this, you're going to use a place called Free Web Hosting Area to set up your site. I think I said in the video to use your jeffcoschools.us Gmail. Use that email to set up the account. If you do, it will filter out the email you get from these guys telling you the information you need. So as you do it, there is just remember which server you choose, what your password is, and we can still get you in. If you have another email, I would actually suggest you use it. I don't want to go back in and remake this video, so make note of that. If you can use another email besides your Jeffco Gmail account, it will probably work best for you. So watch this video, follow the directions in it. It's really easy to set up your site, but if you want some help, meet me online during the times I'm there, or let me know when you need me to, and I will help you do that. Then you will turn in the URL or the site link for your site. You have some more reading about folder and directory structure. Then there's a little review, basically some important vocabulary you need to know this week, and then a short quiz. All of this needs to be finished by Wednesday the 28th at midnight. And if you have questions, just let me know.